Okay, so now we're going to do some examples on how to calculate the area of composite shapes. So the first thing we're going to do is look at this shape here. It says calculate the area of the object shown to 2 decimal places. So the first thing we need to do is to recognize what shapes we have. So we have a round bit at the top, which is a semicircle. So we have a semicircle, and this bit here is a trapezium. So I'm just writing down what we have and the formulas that we have. Because it's half a circle, it's half of pi times r times r. And a trapezium is the top plus the bottom divided by 2 times its height. So we're going to work out the area of one of these things and add it to the second one. So the thing I do is I label them 1 and 2. And total area equals area 1 plus area 2. So first I'm going to do the semicircle, since I've labelled that number 1. So once again, it's half. Our r is 10. So it's half times pi times 10 times 10, which is 50 pi, or 157.08 centimeters squared. And if you wanted to prove that, here's our calculator. 50 squared, not squared, 50 pi, press the white button, and it's 157.08. So now we're going to work out area 2. And as I said, the formula for a trapezium is the top plus the bottom. Now, this is 10 and 10, so this length here is 20. So 10 plus 20 divided by 2, and the height is 20. 10 plus 20 is 30, divided by 2 is 15. 15 times 20, 300. So the total area 157.08 plus 300 457.08 centimeters squared. And then we need to put in our final statement. The area of the object is 457.08 centimeters squared. And that's how we work out the area of that shape. Example 2, we're going to look at calculating the area of this annulus. So we have the large circle and we have the small circle. So the area of the large is pi times big R times big R, and the area of the small equals pi times little r times little r. So the area of the annulus area of the big take away area of the small. So now the bigger R is 24. Take away, and the small one is 8. Squared 576. No. 576 take away 64. 512 times pi. And that equals 1,608.5. Because it's asked to one decimal place. And they are centimetres squared. So we put our answer in words. The area of the annulus is 1,608.5 centimetres squared.